Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video with Coding with T. In this video, I'll explain you all what we are creating in this application and all about all the designs and features of this application. I just don't only build this application for you, but I'll also explain you from zero to hero. If you don't know how to create a React Native application, so don't worry. I'll show you every step from start. You just have to focus and work with me. So now, let me explain you about the application, what we'll be creating in this series. For the better explanation, I'm creating 3 different sections: introduction, design and feature, and conclusion. So, as you can see, the logo in the middle, this will be the logo and the name of our application, Gymnasia. So, in the introduction, what basically Gymnasia is all about. So, Gymnasia in simple words, Instagram for the gym users or the gym people. It is a social media application for only specific people like athletes or bodybuilders. User of this application can perform, post, share, comment, edit their profile and much more. What technology we are using? And the technology we are using is to create this application will be React Native, as we all know. But not only React Native, but we'll also use so many cool libraries for designing. So now in the design section, this application is all about user-side application. So let me tell you some of the main screen which we'll be building, like splash screen, sign up, sign in, onboarding screen swiper, which will contain 4 different screens. We'll be using all the navigation like bottom tab, stack navigator and drawer navigator. After that, we'll be creating homepage or timeline, user profile, which will contain all the information related to the user. After that, edit profile, where user can edit their profile. After that, the comment screen, the share screen or share status. Now, let's jump into the bottom tab navigator. So, in the bottom tab navigator, we'll have 4 different screens. The notification screens for the notification, create post screen for creating the post, tutorial screen, and the more options. In the drawer navigation, we'll have many options, but few are my workout list, gym nearby, invitation, or buddy list, and report a bug, where people can report for the bug. So now, in the conclusion, what you will learn from this series? In the end, you will be able to create a fully functional React Native social application by your own with a lot of cool design and features, which will help you so much to build your better portfolio. Thank you.